Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 11 and question 6. So we are given this integral which is equal to 0 and we want to find the value of b. Okay, so we first need to integrate the left hand side, and then by solving the equation of the function that we get from the left hand side equal to the right hand side, we can find the value of b. But before that, this is one of the standard results here that if we want to integrate e to the power of kx, where k is just a constant, then this is simply equal to e to the kx, so writing exactly the same function, as well as including this coefficient, which is 1 over the constant that is on the power, because we are going to use that for this integration. So the first term is just 3x squared, so that integrates to 3x, it's 3e to the power of x, and that just integrates to itself. And I mean, it's just the same function. So for the next term, we have 6e to the power of minus 2x. Okay, so k in this case is minus 2, so we are going to have 1 over minus 2, so which is minus 1 over 2 times 6, because 6 stays there, e to the power of minus 2x, and these are the limits. Okay, so at this point we get so we have 3 to the power of x, but here we get minus 3e to the power of minus 2x, and that's equal to 0. So now we can substitute the limits and solve the equation. So first of all, we have 3e to the power of b minus 3e to the power of minus 2b, and then minus 3e squared minus 3e to the power of minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have 3 to the power of b minus 3 to the power of minus 2b minus 3 squared plus 3 to the power of minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now we need to simplify. So here we can, because of the format of the equation, I think this is a type of equation that we can simply solve this by just inspection rather than solving this, because if we try to solve this, this is probably going to be some complicated algebra. But if you just notice, let's look at this term, 3e to the power of b, and then this term, which is minus 3e squared, and then also look at the term minus 3e to the power of minus 2b, and pair that with 3e to the power of minus 4. So as you can see, there is an interesting pattern, because the first pair, which is 3e to the power of b and minus 3e squared, they have opposite coefficients. So here is 3, here is minus 3, and both of them have e. This is e squared, this is e to the power of b. So hypothetically, if we take the value of b as 2, then these two terms will actually cancel. So by just looking at this, if you take the value of b as 2, then we'll have 3e squared minus 3e squared. So these terms are going to be cancelled. Now let's also substitute b is equal to 2 into other terms and then compare them. So for the next term, we'll have minus 3e to the power of minus 4 plus 3e to the power of minus 4. And these two terms are also going to cancel, and we'll finally get 0. So yeah, we just solved this equation by sort of maybe trial and error or just inspection. And so therefore b is equal to 2.